Hey Wonderfuls! I found a better way to watch videos from my phone, and it is portable, affordable, and adorable. I took a recycled cardboard box and cut a hole in it, then added a magnifying screen that I got for a whopping $1.75 at the dollar store, and I had a bigger screen. Could have stopped there, but we can also do better. Enter the dollar store vinyl. I wrapped it with some fake wood grain vinyl, put a little sound hole in it, and then applied the rest of the decals. This phone screen magnifier was inspired by a product on Amazon, which is basically a cute shoebox made to look like a retro TV that magnifies your phone screen with a $30 price tag. And I'm cheap. I wouldn't pay $30 for a shoebox, even if it does look awesome. But I figured I could make one myself. Once the vinyl was done, I added some recycled plastic packaging to make kind of rails that I could slide my phone into to hold it. I might replace that for something else that I could fold flat with the rest of the box, as well as maybe a tube or something going from the phone speaker to the sound hole on the box to get the audio out there. To charge my ever-dying phone, I cut a little hole in the back of the box so that I could put my charging cable through it, and this gave the little TV a power cord. I'm always watching videos on my phone. Even though I have other devices I could use, I prefer my phone, and I thought this would be just the perfect little van-sized camp TV. It doesn't give the best quality picture, but it does make the screen appear bigger, and at $1.75 for a cute little retro TV, I'm calling this project a success. Please like and subscribe to see more Getter Better projects.